Hello friends, how's it going? It's me, Betty Jean. Today I'm doing a collab video with one of my friends here on YouTube. Her name is Katie Marie. It's also her channel's name. I will have it down below. If you haven't checked her out, you really need to. She is so kind and sweet. She reviews a lot of different kinds of makeup. She does tag videos, new makeup release videos. She's doing project panning and things like that. You would really like her. She's very well-rounded and she's just so sweet and kind and supportive. She is so calming to listen to. I really enjoy her and her videos, and I think you guys would too. When you check her out after this video, tell her I sent you if you are new to her. I'm really excited we get to collab together. We collabed a long time ago, but it was well overdue for another time to collab together. It's funny, actually a long time ago, I think she was talking about the Riviera palette specifically. She'd mentioned that it would pair really nicely with the Norvina palette, and I'd commented on that video forever ago. I don't even know what video it was now, but I'd commented and said, hey, let's do a palette bingo together with the Norvina and Riviera. And we finally decided to do that today. I feel like there's gonna be a lot of jump cuts in this video. My tongue is just not making my words right today. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna be taking the Riviera palette with the Norvina palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. We are going to randomly generate 3 shades from each palette and we are going to create a look. Let's look at these color stories together. I still think that they would pair nicely together and I'm excited because I haven't played with either of these palettes in quite a while. Norvina is on the top and Riviera is on the bottom. I'm really excited. I really hope we get something colorful, but last time I did an Anastasia multi-palette bingo, I was very much sabotaged. It was the most boring neutral colors and oranges. So hopefully we get something a lot more exciting this time. Katie, thank you again for wanting to collab with me. This is gonna be so fun. I can't wait to see what you get. And I guess let's just generate some numbers now, right? So there are 14 shades in each palette. I have my random number generator on Google right here, 1 to 14. We're gonna start with Norvina because that one came out first. So I'm just gonna do 3 shades. We got 11, 5, and 4. 11 is Love, 5 is Celestial, and 4 is Rose Gold. Guys, so far we're off to a great start. We got some color in here. Ugh, I love the Norvina palette, guys. It's really cute. Okay, now let's do the Riviera, see if we can get lucky also. We got 8, 5, and 12. So 8 is Estates, 5 is Seaside, and 12 is Monte Carlo. Okay, I can work with that. Ooh, this is what everything looks like. We're doing something very pinky, rose gold, pop of like that bluey silver, pop of purple. This looks like pretty cohesive to me, honestly. It's not too wild. We got 3 mattes, 3 shimmers. Honestly, this is a really good case scenario for Anastasia because it could have gone very neutral very fast. Ooh, guys, I'm excited. All right, let me zoom you in. I'm gonna prime my eye with my Smashbox lid primer in light, and we're gonna create a look. All right, hello, closer and better than ever. I'm gonna go into the Riviera palette. Goodness, I cannot speak this morning. It's Saturday morning. It's the 1st of February, and I can't speak. I'm gonna take Estate from the Riviera palette, and I'm gonna take this SL Miss Glam L34 brush. All right, I'm just going to swirl that shade all through my crease. Ordinarily, I probably would have just skipped a shade like this had I been doing this exact look. I probably would have just like eliminated this shade on my own terms, but since the palette bingo gods want it, they will get it. Just running this all along my lower lash line. Goodness, I'm not even that sleepy. I'm pretty awake right now. I don't know why I can't talk. All right, next I want to go in with the deepest shade. I want to take Monte Carlo, and I'm going to use my Colourpop E9 brush. And I'm just going to dabble this in my outer corner. I'm most likely doing a half cut crease today. That's what I like doing the most. I actually don't even know if I like doing them the most. I just do them the most. Tucking this really close to my lower lashes as well. I like doing half cut creases when I have a lot of different kinds of shimmers to work with, and that is the situation today. I feel like it's a really good way for me to kind of show off all of those without them just like meshing into one. The shade is so lovely. I've been really into pinks lately. I don't know what it is. I'm gonna take Love now from the Norvina palette. You can tell that that shade is so well loved. There's such a dent in that one. I'm just gonna take this dual-ended Lunar Beauty brush from that Life's a Drag palette that came out a million years ago. I'm just going to take that along that outer edge just to help buff and blend that Monte Carlo shade out more. I'm ready for Anastasia to just come out with another standalone palette, because the last few releases have been collabs, and then Norvina has her side project thing going on. I was really interested in the Mini 3 or something like that. It was the one that was cherry themed. And it was really cute, and I almost bought it. Like, I was on the Sephora app about to buy it, and then it clicked in my head, and I think I only want it because it reminds me so much of the Muerte, and I can just play with the Muerte anytime. But I'm still curious to see what else they release. I like the idea of those mini palettes way more than the big ones. I don't think I'll ever buy one of those big ones. But I like the idea of the minis. And I want Anastasia to come out with another standalone palette, and I want it. All right, this is our crease action. Looking pretty cute. I want to dip back into the Norvina, and I want to take rose gold because this shade's going to go on my lower lash line. I'm just taking a pencil brush. It's a Spectrum A12. I want to just pop that right up against towards the bottom. Usually this is one of the last steps I do, but I knew I wanted to put this here, and I'm not quite sure what I'm doing with the lid yet. Ooh, so cute, so cute. I just love a shimmer on the lower lash line. I just think it adds such a cool effect. Quite a fan of that. Okay, so basically I have Celestial and, where is it? Seaside to work with. And I know I'm going to do a half cut crease and have it fade down, but I don't know if I want this on the top or the purple on the top. I think I might cut it with Seaside because that one will be a little bit more impactful right at the cut, and maybe have it fade down into the purple. I think that's what I want to do. I'm just going to use the packing side of that Lunar Beauty brush, and I'm going to grab my NYX glitter primer, of course, to help me cut the crease. And just like I always do, I'm just running this across my lid, and then I'm just going to drag this right above my natural crease where I prefer it to be on my eye shape. And I'm going to stop it out here where the pink is really building up and deepening. I need a translator to be in here because I can't speak. I'm speaking a whole nother language right now. Dipping in with the exact same brush, I'm taking Seaside from the Riviera palette, and I want to just tuck that right up against the cuts. So pretty. I love the Anastasia shimmer formula. It's so chunky, and I don't mean that in a bad way at all. I love that. Just keeping the shade nice and tight, and I'm stopping it again where those pinks are really building up the most. I'm flipping that brush over and taking Celestial on the other side now. And I'm just going to pop that underneath it. And it's just all going to fade down into the purple. Then that purple is going to fade into the pink in the outer corner. What a concept. This is so new for me, doing a half cut crease with double shimmer on the lid. I'm so revolutionary, being so creative right now. I think it's really cute. I know it's like nothing that outstanding, but I think it's really pretty. I'm a fan of it. I need to highlight my inner corner. I'm going to take my face highlight. I use this, oh goodness, I can never open this Soul Body highlight in Pink Champagne. I think it's lovely, and I'm going to highlight my inner corner with it. It's just the cutest pinky gold shift. I wasn't sure if it would work on my skin tone, but I also figured I would just use it as a blush topper if not. I don't know. I think it's lovely, but I also really like my cheek products to kind of mesh together, like my blush, highlight, bronzer. I want it to just be one entity rather than like stacks, you know what I mean? All right, well, I need an eye pencil, I need lashes, the other eye done, obviously, lipstick, all that good stuff, so I'm gonna finish all that and then we will chat about those details when I return. All right, this is it. This is my final look. I feel like it looks just very ethereal and cute. I really like these pinks and purples together. I really like that pop of the silvery blue kind of color in there. I think it's a pretty look. I'm gonna be content wearing this at work all day. No hard feelings here. Palette Bingo Gods gave me a pretty solid, easy, if I'm being honest with you, kind of color scheme to work with. This wasn't very challenging for me, and I think it's pretty. My eye pencil is Rose Glow from Pixie. My lashes are Bold Face Makeup Thrill Seeker, and on my lips I went with Really Rose from Pixie. I just wanted to kind of channel those pinks in my eye look onto my mouth. So yeah, this is the look. What do you think? What do you think about the shades I got chosen? Would you have done something different? I would love to hear your thoughts about it. Which of these two is your favorite between the Norvina and Riviera? I really like the Norvina. It's just really special. I love the pinks and I love these cool tones. I love that there's pops of warmth down here. I don't know, it's a really cute palette. I used it a lot when I first got it. I can't wait to see what Katie got. I wonder if she got a similar vibe to me. I wonder if it's totally opposite. I can't wait to watch. Thank you again, Katie, for collabing with me. If you guys made it to the end of this video, leave me a purple or pink emoji to go with my eye look. And if you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you're not already, please hop over to my Instagram. It's beautbean. Follow me there. I post every single day. And don't forget to subscribe. I'm posting most days here as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Okay, bye.